Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. Today we are going to discuss on all new features of Android Oreo. In the Android 8.0, the user interface has been changed a lot and it has a very good and smooth handling capability. Coming to settings, the settings screen has been aligned very properly and the subcategories and categories are aligned in a very neat manner. And there is an internal search option where we can search and find everything. Our next new feature is Play Protect feature. This always scans the applications, each and every applications present in the Play Store in order to detect the infected applications through virus and in order to protect us from spam. This is a very good feature which is newly implemented in this version and also protects our device. Our next feature is all about notifications. In this version, notification sector is aligned in a very neat manner and easy to access. So many changes are being brought out with this version in this notification sector. And in this section, by clicking on the text of any of this notification setting, we can move to the relevant settings. Notifications which are relevant to any particular application are indicated with a dot on the particular application icon. This dot can also be customized. We have another feature known as blink light which are associated with the notifications. This can also be customized according to our choice. This is a very good update in this version. Our next new feature is the font size customization. Now we are going to see how to customize that. Open settings and open display, and by clicking on advanced we can find a drop down. By clicking on font size we can adjust the scale of font according to our choice. Our next new feature is all about the display size, and now we are going to see how to customize that. Open settings, open display and click on advanced. We will get an option called display size. By clicking on that, we can adjust and scale the whole user interface display and font size according to our choice. Using this feature, we can adjust and customize the user interface according to our vision will. Now, the next feature is all about the night light. This night light feature is very helpful for the human naked eye, and this helps when this feature is turned on, the display turns to warm. Now we are going to see how to enable that. Go to settings, go to display. We can find the night light setting over there. By opening that, we can find two options like schedule and status. By clicking on schedule, we can find a drop down where we can find few options. There are none and turn on custom time, and the other option is all about turn on from sunset to sunrise. Turn on from sunset to sunrise is the best option so far. Our next feature is all about change app icons. Using this feature, we can customize the shape and size of the entire app icons. Now we are going to see how to use that. Go to home settings, and there we can find an option called change icon shape. By clicking on that, we can find few options. We can select any of the option according to our choice. Previously, we used to depend on the third-party apps, but in this version, the feature has been fulfilled. New emoji icons gonna be our next new feature. The existing emoji icons are entirely redesigned and few more emoji icons are added to our list. This is a very good update. Our next new feature is like 3D touch. Now we are going to see how to use that. By depressing on any of the icon or any of the application's icon, we can find a pop-up which contains the relevant settings, and It also contains two options and two icons like the widget icon as well as the app information icon. With this, we can easily access the applications. Our next new feature is Now Playing feature. Using this feature, we can have a lot of fun, and now we are going to see how to enable that. Open Settings, open Sounds, and open Advanced. You can find a drop down. At the down we can find Now Playing, and by enable that, we have Enable Now Playing. While any music is playing in the surroundings, it automatically detects the music and shows the details on our screen. Now we are going to see how to use that. It's very easy to find any song. This is one of the best features provided in Android 8. Screen pinning gonna be our next new feature. Now we are going to see how to use that, how to enable that. Open Settings, open Security and Location, and we can find an option like screen pinning. By turning it on, we are enabled with screen pinning. And when we are performing any task on any application, by pinning any application, go to multitask mode and pin any application according to your choice. It shows a pop-up, and by clicking on Got It, our task is done and we are pinned to a particular application. And this mode disables our contacts with any other applications. And we can exit from this pinning by simultaneously by pressing a multitasking button as well as the back button. It's so easy and very handy. Our next new feature is Smart Text Selection. Now we are going to see how to use that. In the same way, by clicking on Address Text on the screen, it automatically provides a pop-up containing Maps icon. By clicking on Maps icon, we will move to Maps. In the same way, when I click on any phone number on the screen, it immediately provides a pop-up containing phone icon. When I click on the phone icon, we can switch to the phone application.
Hey guys, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.